Welcome folks to Mac 237. I'll be your host. My name is Arjun Chopra. So as I see some of the students are totally new to SATE, so I'm going to start it from the scratch. So this is the SATE website, www.sate.ca. Once you're going to log on to the SATE website, then this page will open up, and then there is an option of logging in, and under the login these are the two most important things: email and the Brightspace. So make sure your SATE email ID is working, because I'll be sending you a lot of emails on SATE email address. And then down here, Brightspace, where you will be able to see all the information with regards to your course. So if I click onto the Brightspace, it's going to take me to all the courses which I'm teaching in winter 2025, and for you guys, all the courses which you guys are studying in winter 2025. So this is the course which I'm teaching you guys. And in this course, if I see down here under the announcements, you will see all the information. Pretty much, if you can scan through all the announcements, you will be able to get through all the information. You don't need to go anywhere. I've tried to make it really simple for you guys this time around, rather than going under the content or anywhere. I posted everything under the announcement section, and down here, upcoming events. So here on this page, you will be able to find all the information which is required for this course. So let me change the setting and view as a student, because that's the view which you're going to be seeing. And now this is the page you will be seeing. This is me who's teaching this course. And if I go down here, so this is from where all the announcements will start. So don't feel overwhelmed, because I posted all the announcements together. So you will go down here, click onto the show all, click show all, and then you will start with the latest announcements, latest in the sense starting from the December 28th. So this is the first message. Do not look into the previous messages, although this is about the book, which I'll talk about it later on. So this is from where our course starts. So this is down here. Down here you are given the course schedule and the formula booklet, and also the course information is being given to you, that what are the topics which will be covered. So you can download these, which will be helpful to you guys. Now here, one of the most important things which I wanted to talk about, as I said, I posted them under the important information also. So the book which I've used to solve some of the video lectures. So first of all, let me talk about the video lectures. I've tried to provide the video lectures down here for all the topics which you will be learning in MAT 237. So the book which I've used to solve these video lectures is the edition 11. So Washington book, and it's the 11th edition which I've used, and now the 12th edition is out. So I'm not sure whether you will be able to find the 11th edition in the book market or not, or the SATE bookstore you will be able to find it or not. If you can find it, that's great. If you cannot find it, that's okay too, because the 12th edition, the questions are little different from the 10th edition. Only difference is something like, if I'm using x plus y equal to 10, they are using a plus b equal to 10, solve for a and b. So something like that, you know. So those kind of things are different. So what we're going to be doing, so that's why I'm giving you the heads up, so don't feel confused. So what you're going to be doing is, if let's say you are using edition 11 or edition 12 for that matter, so you will be using these video lectures just to understand the concept. Do not listen into that part where I have said that, hey, I'm referring to the question number 3 from x from chapter number 6, exercise 3 6.3. So don't refer to that question number. Just try and listen to the video, try and understand the concepts. Once you understand the concept, then try and solve these questions. So you're gonna watch these two videos, then try and solve these questions. If you feel that you are struggling, even after watching the videos, you're struggling to solve these questions, uh, you can always see me in the library starting the week second for you guys. So it will start from 25th. From 25th onwards, you can see me in library, SATE library, that's what I'm talking about. From 12 to 4, you just need to go to the reception and ask where the tutor for math is. His name is Arjun Chopra, and they will guide you towards me. And yeah, you can see me in library. And if that time doesn't work for you guys, you can see me on Wednesday in an online lecture also. So Wednesday, as I said, Wednesday 2 to 4, 2 to 4. Here I have provided the information. So Wednesday 2 to 4. If you wanted to see me in person, you can see me in person. I'll provide the uh, I mean, these are the 2 hours which I'll provide. Some of you will be online, but some of you may want to come and see me in person also. I'll recommend you guys to see me in person on Saturdays, so that we can have 2 hours for online and 4 hours for in person. Okay. So that's yeah, that's the information which I wanted to provide. So again, coming back to the topic, so let's say you are trying to solve these questions, and these questions you're not been able to solve. So you can come and see me in library on Saturday, or you can directly jump onto the online classroom. The online classroom link has also been provided. So this is the link which you can use, uh, and once you're gonna I mean, you click onto this link, this will take you to the online classroom and online classroom. And on Wednesday 2 to 4 p.m. I will be present in this classroom, and you can always ask me the questions. So now the onus lies on to you guys, that please, if you try and start solving these questions as soon as possible, and try and make sure that you follow the course schedule, that first 3 weeks you should be able to do how much work you can do in the first week, how much work you can do in the second week, how much you should do in the third week. That is under the course schedule. So that you are not behind when writing the test. Okay, mainly I've told you all these chapters. These are the chapters for the test one. So here, syllabus for test one, you can finish it in 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. I'll recommend you to do it step by step, so that in the week one you can do the chapter number 6, in the week 2 you can do the chapter number 11, and the week 3 you can do the revision also. This is the review. I don't have any videos on this one, but this is kind of related to chapter 11 and 12. I'll see if I can make the videos, but I cannot promise it. Again, as I said, you can always join me online here. If you are confused, you can ask me the questions in this video room. So again, once you're done doing all these questions, then go on to the review, and then try and do this review. The final, not the final, the test questions. Uh, if you can do the review, you should be able to do the test. But review does not mean that same questions will be on the exam. Please, sometimes students start thinking that the same questions is on exam, so this is my right that review has to be exactly same. Review is just to test your knowledge, whatever you've done, so you can feel confident. It's a kind of a pre-test before going into the test, but it does not mean that the same questions will be on the test one. And this is what I posted for the test 2. Again, the review is posted down here. Then the same thing I've done for the test 3. Do this, watch this video, do this exercise, watch the video, do this exercise, and then do the review, and that you're good to go. And for the test 4 also, and then these are the lectures after test 4, and then the final exam, I'll post the review for the final exam too. So please don't feel overwhelmed by watching all these videos. Start from the bottom here. So this starting from the chapter 1 means the syllabus for test 1. Start from here. All right, so that's pretty much it for this course. Another thing which I wanted to tell you, for the test section, test is under the assessment, then go to the test. You have to use the lockdown browser, so please make sure you know how to use the lockdown browser, as you are doing an online course. So this is an expectation that you are familiar with the technology. And if you are not familiar with the technology, come and see me, I'll help you. I've already posted a a dummy lockdown test also. So if you wanted to see whether your computer setup is compatible with the lockdown browser or not, you can always look at this one. And and in exam, if there is any mistake in the question, you will be awarded the full marks. But one thing I will tell you, please try and make sure you are using uh, using not using the iPad, because sometimes in iPad the statement is not complete. So try and use the computer. And if you have iPad, come and see me, and I'll try and figure out something for you guys, if as an alternative. Okay, and your test timings are also posted here. Your test will be from 1 to 3 p.m. The first test is from here to here on February 1st, and this is the test timing for this test 2, and this is the test timing for the test 3 and test 4. There is not a lot of flexibility in this into this one, so please, I posted everything in advance. If you are one of those working students, make sure you book these times off from your calendar so that there is no problem you will face. Uh, and please, this is my humble request. If someone has to attend the marriage party or has to go somewhere else, I won't be able to make the changes for the test. You have to provide me the solid evidence why, hey, you want the test to be changed to some other date, and then I won't approve it. It has to go through my chair. If my chair approves it, only then I will be able to make the changes. This is my humble request. I posted all the test dates and the final date also here, so make sure you book these times off. There should not be any excuse for not booking these times off. And yeah, if someone is super sick, if they provide me the document, it has to be the documented proof. Please don't tell me that, oh, yesterday you were feeling, there was a, I mean, you were feeling sick or dizzy, or because of this or that reason, now all of a sudden on the next day you cannot write the test. That I don't think I'll be able to get an approval for that, those kind of things. If you provide me the document that, oh, there's a problem, this person has to go through an emergency or a surgery or something like that, I'm more than happy to help you guys. But please don't misuse this. Um, uh, don't misuse the medical thing. All right, so that's about this particular course. And as I said, I welcome you all. This is a pretty straightforward, easy course if you're gonna put in your effort. And I am giving you 6 hours every week. Saturday 4 hours, and then Wednesday 2 to 4 online 2 hours. Now the onus lies on to you. If you have any confusion, any questions, come and see me in this time. If you are working in this time, that's your responsibility to find a time for your learning also. So I've set up the expectations from you guys. If you have any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, I wish you all the best with this course. I'll see you on the other side.